I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete all screenshots and videos uploaded to Nintendo Cloud Storage using Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Navigate to your Switch 2 home screen and then click the Albums icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Click Settings on the next screen. If you have multiple Nintendo accounts set up on this device, you'll see a window asking whose upload settings you want to see. Choose your profile in this window. You'll see the upload settings for that account. Step 3. Choose Delete Uploads in this menu, and then click Delete Uploaded Data. A window opens asking if you're sure you want to delete all screenshots and videos from the server. You'll also see a note that no screenshots or videos will be deleted from any of your Nintendo consoles. Step 4. Click Delete. You'll see a note that it may take some time before your screenshots and videos are deleted from your Nintendo Cloud Storage. In my case, everything was deleted almost immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.